viewers, welcome to Food Chemistry by Amrita. I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to learn something very interesting and again it will be a unique dish. Today we are going to prepare submarine sandwich. So let's get started quickly because it's almost dinner time and I am going to have this dish in my dinner today. For making the submarine sandwich, I am going to make use of lots of vegetables. So this is the lettuce. So this is like full small bunch of lettuce that has been roughly chopped. 1 tomato. This much is the slice. You can make thin as much as this. This is the cucumber, so I have taken the green cucumber, so it is also finely chopped. These are the red onions. So onions I am going to introduce in a very raw form. So I have taken the raw and roughly sliced, and I have created this cheese which is grated, and I have put chili flakes into it for making something new flavor. And this is the combination of veg mayo and mint mayo, so I have mixed both of them. This is the dressing that I am going to use for the garnishing purpose. So it's very simple. You just have to arrange all these veggies on your French bread. So this is the French bread, so it's kind of submarine, and you can see it's very long. I have bought this from the hypermarket, so you can get this from the hypermarket. And I'm going to quickly start with my recipe. Take a French bread out of the cover. So I'm going to cut it into half and divide it equally, and then I will start doing the dressing. So now that I have cut it into 2 equal parts, it's now time to cut it from the center. So take a center and you just have to cut it so that we can start assembling the dressing and veggies. So I have cut it from the center, and now I will start with the dressing thing. So first I am going to make use of cheese. So cheese and chili flakes goes in the bottom. I'm going to arrange it in somewhat different way. Here goes the same process. So here you can see my vegetables has been arranged in my submarine sandwich. So now I'm going to cover this whole portion with the mayonnaise. So let's do that. Take ample amount of mayonnaise and just put it on this side of the bread. Make sure you cover all the corners. You can also put more veggies if you want. I'm going to put little bit of cheese over this. Same goes for the other bread. So as you can see, the submarine sandwiches are fully loaded with vegetables and it is now ready. I just have to roast it a little on my pan. So this pan I'm going to use, and this is having some kind of lines as you can see here. So that will give that submarine a nice texture. So just I'm going to place this over the pan and I am ready to go.
And now this is ready to serve, and I would like to thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe and support.